Hello guys, I am doing my makeup, and as I'm doing my makeup, I'm coming to that realization that I should have packed up a piece of mail that I had to send out. Oops. So that'll have to happen tomorrow. I was literally going to sit at my computer, do my makeup, and get this package out. But yeah, I have to do my makeup because work. I have to go to work. You know, wake up. I know there's updates that are not installed, but I don't want to install them right now. Close. So yeah, I've got my computer right here. Trying tonight. So anyway, I have to go to work, and I'm trying to do my makeup at my desk. I keep my makeup in this little drawer underneath. It's a very small desk, and I think it's a replica of a European, I think it's a P-shaped desk. It's got these leather accents on the front. I love the desk. It's really the perfect vanity desk because it's got a couple drawers, but I use it as a computer desk too. So anyway, what do I need? I need to do my eyebrows. So anyway, I colored my hair last night. I did a really light blonde, which didn't take because I had just done a rose dark blonde, so it didn't take on the lighter blonde. I hate doing my eyebrows. I'm not good at doing my eyebrows, and I always do it too dark. Although I guess with the dark blonde, it's not really too dark. So, anyway, it is not a makeup tutorial because I am not good at makeup. Everything I've learned, I've kind of figured out by watching videos. So, which is this? This is the blush. I don't need that. Here we go. Now where's my little brush? There's my little brush. So I'm going to use, that's the wrong little brush. Here it is. So I'm going to use this color, and this color. So, anyway, what website? It is Mercari. That I sold on, so I need to print out a label. I just sold an old purse that I never use, and I don't need it. I also have this wonderful little mirror that I bought for $6 at Target, and it's that pink color that I love. Oops, shoot. I moved it. There we go. So yeah, today is going to be the long work day because I will be working until 11:30. So it's a long day. I don't think I'm logged in. I'm not logged in. Let's continue with Facebook. Eyeliner time. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to do my makeup. Not too long. So yeah, anyway, I had colored my hair rose gold blonde, or rose blonde. It had these pinkish purple streaks through it, and I loved it. But for my work, it's a no-no. So I had to tone it down. So that's what I did. Nope, that's not what I wanted. So hopefully I got the purples and pink streaks out of it. I think I did. I like the color that it is now. I hate doing my makeup. I don't know how girls do such perfect makeup, because mine is certainly not. Okay, is that a little more even? I think so. I think it is. It's as even as it's gonna get.
Mom, what time do you have to leave?
Not until 2:30. Not until 2:30.
Not till 2:30? Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm doing my makeup and getting dressed.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure. I'm gonna reach out and
All right. Oops, I'm putting makeup in my eye. I don't want that. Sorry, we're getting up real up close and personal here. So yeah, today is the long day. But it's okay. I can't figure out how. Maybe that's how. I don't know. Okay, so now I want this. Okay, so I need to sell. There we go. I need to ship. No, I haven't. Please ship. Please ship. Please. No, I don't want to cancel. If you didn't receive it, download it here. Downloading there. Okay, so I'm very particular about my mascara because I don't like it to stick. I like it to wash off really easily. And this one does not, so I need to buy a new one. I also feel obligated to use this one. There's my label. Oh, shoot. So yeah, today will be my second time doing this. And rooms coordinator shift by myself, so we're gonna see how it goes. I don't think this is the one. Yeah. There we go. Do I have my earrings on? Yes, I do. I tend to forget them. Okay, makeup's done. Bye, guys.